I check me out. Got them on. Two things. Well, shit, really one thing. Um, the Texas pendant, the loop that you slide, through. The hole ain't big enough for a 3mm. Just for anybody who happens to get a Texas pendant from Icebox, a 3mm chain gonna be way too big to fit your to fit it through the loop to get it on the chain. So the 2mm that I have from Jacoji worked just perfectly, worked just fine. But the 3mm that I got from Jacoji, too big, a little too fat. Low key, I was like, that's a point for Jacoji because I like it, it's fat. But I was also like, yo, low key, like, damn, Icebox, like, I'm surprised that the loops ain't the same size for real, to be honest with you. But it is what it is. Like, I like my drip. You know what I'm saying? Got the Texas a little bit closer to the heart, so it's all good. You know what I'm saying? That's where I'm from. That's what I'm repping. You already know. Texas to the fullest. Shoot. Honestly, yeah. So yeah, that is what it is. Icebox, beautiful display. I love the packaging. I love the box that it comes with. I like it. On a scale of 1 to 10, what would I rate it? I would rate it a 10. Only thing is, like, I mean, there really ain't nothing to it. Like, for real, like, I knew they was gonna be small because it shows you on the website. But dang, dog, like, it just goes to show, like, bruh, like, y'all wouldn't believe it, but I got a couple racks around my neck right now. These are everything together. This is a couple racks, especially for the VVS diamonds, just for the pendant. You wouldn't believe the niggas spend a rack on this pendant, and it just goes to show when it comes to that real stuff, that mug costs money. So when you see mugs wearing them big ridiculous chains and everything, and they iced out and everything like that, like, yo, I mean. Most of the time they ain't real. One way you can spot it is, you already know, the color of the gold. Like, that's another thing. Like Jacoji, he got real top grade quality gold. Like, his stuff be from Italy and all the best, you know what I'm saying, places to get it. Like, he do put in good quality when it comes to his gold. You see the way this gold look, and it don't got like that kind of like a almost looking like a penny type look, you know what I'm saying? Like, this how it's supposed to look. You see how it's shining from back here? You see how everything's shining? The VVS diamonds, everything like that. You see how I'm shining and it's lit from back here? That's how it's supposed to be. You know what I'm talking about? So it must got diamonds on and they ain't dancing and stuff, bro. If them diamonds ain't dancing, bro, then more than likely they not real. More than likely they VV Nesses. Wait. VV Finesses. VV Finesses, which is cubic zirconium. You know what I'm saying? Or they might be them, hey, y'all gotta be on the lookout. Let me tell y'all something. Y'all gotta look this up. Lab-made diamonds. They getting a lot of y'all right now with these lab-made diamond chains. See, and it's for the people who really want to, like, take they fake flexing to another level, because lab-made diamonds, they real. They just diamonds that are man-made in a lab. So they're not from the ground. So when it comes to like an actual diamond, you actually spending that real bread because mugs is going down within the earth. The miners, you know what I'm saying, they putting in that labor to actually get you a diamond that came from the earth naturally versus somebody getting a lab-made diamond. Right here, these right here, this 100, this Texas chain, this 100, these is all real diamonds. These diamonds that the miners done did they work. You know what I'm saying? Just so I could get it and put it on this chain. Even more reason why, like I said, I spent like a rack on both of these pendants, because if you want that VVS quality. I mean, if you spend like SI, you can get these like cheaper. But if you and that's another thing. When it comes to SI, VS, and VVS, the only person who's gonna know is you. You know what I'm saying? Nobody gonna know if you got the SI or the VS or the VVS. It's just really something like if you like wearing real stuff, like and that ain't got nothing to do with it. That just got to do with the quality of the diamond. So SI is real, a VS is real, a VVS is super real. Like, they all real though. They all it just has to do with the quality of the diamond that you wouldn't even be able to see with the naked eye. Like that's just something for your head. That's something if you really want to be bougie, to be real with you, like. I'm gonna get the VVS's because you really could go with the SI because nobody gonna know it's a real diamond. It's the quality of the diamond though. You know what I'm saying? The only way you gonna know is if you really fancy and sedity and you got that little eyeglass piece. The jewelers be having them mugs, but they'll look at your mug and they be like, oh, there goes an inclusion or something like that. You know what I'm saying? They be like whatever. So they look at that and that's the only way they would know. Oh, this is a SI. Oh, but at the same time, bro, like, for real, who cares? Like, get you some SIs, get you some VSs, get you some VVSs. But when it comes to them lab-made diamonds, I'm not knocking them at all. Like, you can get them. But here's my thing. When it comes to these diamonds and when it comes to the chains and gold ropes and all that stuff, you should know this. You gonna end up spending some bread. Either it's fake or real. The reason why I'm going for the real versus getting the fake or even getting anything that's lab made is because the real stuff like this, like if you see my last video when I'm talking about the Jacoji rope and I went to the jeweler and everything like that, and she admitted, oh, you definitely got a good price for his chain because this 3mm chain that I got for just $1,000 is worth $2,000 in retail just right now. The value in gold goes up all the time. It don't be dropping. This is real gold. So next year this is gonna be even more. Next year this other one, this 2mm, gonna cost even more. So when it comes to real stuff versus you getting fake, like if these were two fake chains, I would have spent maybe like $500. Maybe $200 on the other one, and I'd be rocking fake chains and getting green neck, scratching my neck, all type of stuff. And guess what? Next year it's not gonna be worth dirt. Like still, just because it's fake, period. Like you not gonna really get nothing for nothing that's fake. Like try to go to a pawn shop and sell some fake jewelry. Like you might get some, but like you ain't never gonna get nothing compared to what actual real jewelry costs. So just my advice to anybody: if y'all want to get a chain, or y'all want to flex or something like that, save your bread up and get the real thing. There's so many artists out here that I personally know wearing fake diamonds, fake chains, fake gold. And it's crazy because they really over here try to flex like it's real, but anybody with just real, like, just 2020 vision, man, they gonna know, like, bro, that mug fake. I don't care if you blind, bro. Anybody just touch that mug, bro, you know it's fake, bro. But for real, like, because for real, you could be blind and know this mug is really the difference between it being real and fake. Because, yo, when I put this chain on, it's weight to it. It's small, but it's got weight. When I put this chain on, small, but it's got weight. When you put on a fake chain or a hollow, there is no weight to it, like, whatsoever. So it's flimsy dimsy and it's just like, yeah, you know it's fake. But when it comes to like these real things, like real square business. So yeah, that's my little Icebox review. Shoot, please like, comment, subscribe. Y'all let me know what y'all want me to unbox next, or what type of stuff you want me to unbox next. I'm definitely planning on shopping with Icebox again in the future. I think the next thing that I want to get, I might either get like maybe 2 more pendants or another pendant, and I definitely have to get another chain for that. But the next pendant I want to get is like probably like my name, like my rap name, Zanman, or some shit like that. You know what I'm saying? Or I mean, shoot, who knows, man? Like, I don't know, but I definitely want to get something with the name, and I do know that those are a little bit bigger and everything like that. But like I said, you know what I'm saying? It's cool because it's my first time ordering from Icebox, so it's a little small drip. It's a little, you know what I'm saying, accent and everything like that. But yo, like it gleaming. Like, yo, you see, y'all, when y'all see me in person and that sun shining, that mug hit this mug, y'all better have your glasses on, cause this mug really gonna. You know what I'm saying? Warning. I gotta have on a warning sign on these chains, dog. Warning, you don't look into the diamonds, cause you will get blinded like this. That motherfucker. Hey. 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 Alright, but anyway, y'all, shoot, I'm out of here, man. Shoot. Thanks for staying, watching the video. Icebox, they know where it's at. They got the stuff, man. They got the stuff. That's all I got to say. They got the stuff. They got the stuff.